The health of your teeth is an important component of overall well-being, and one of the most popular options for missing teeth are dental bridges. Dental bridges help restore missing teeth through the creation of an artificial bridge between teeth. Dental bridges can be an effective and popular alternative. They usually be expensive. But Turkey has emerged as a leading player on the market of cheap dental bridges. It is now attracting patients across the globe with their high-end yet cost-effective dental treatments. 1. The rising popularity of dental tourism in Turkey. Turkey has experienced a substantial growth in dental tourism recent years, with more clients choosing to go to Turkey for affordable, high-quality treatment. Its central location within Europe and Asia, as well as affordable prices and a superior quality of services, is what has made it the top destination for tourists seeking dental care. 2. The advantages of dental bridges. Dental bridges offer a practical option for replacing missing teeth, offering both functional as well as aesthetic advantages. They help to restore the ability to chew and talk effectively, boost general oral health, and increase the aesthetics of the smile. Dental bridges can be constructed using a variety of materials such as porcelain, stainless steel, or a mix of both. They may also be designed to complement the natural appearance and coloring of the teeth. 3. The cost of dental bridges in Turkey. One of the primary benefits when seeking treatment at a dental clinic in Turkey is the cost, which is lower when compared with other Western nations. Bridges made of dental material within Turkey tend to cost just a tiny fraction of what they cost in nations like that of the US or UK, and make it a desirable choice for people seeking to lower their costs but not having to sacrifice high quality. 4. The quality of dental care in Turkey. Even with the less expensive costs, the quality of dentistry is not compromised. Turkey remains unharmed. A lot of dental clinics within Turkey offer state-of-the-art equipment as well as experienced dentists. Respect for international standards of sanitation and security. Patients are guaranteed to receive the same amount of attention and experience as they receive in their own country as well, perhaps even more so. 5. The process of getting dental bridges in Turkey. The process of getting dental bridges in Turkey is easy. Patients should first speak with dental professionals to find the ideal treatment strategy that will meet their specific needs. When the plan of treatment is set, then the dentist will prep the teeth, collect impressions, then design the custom-designed bridge. The bridge will be put in place and adjusted, giving the appearance of a natural and comfortable. 6. The benefits of choosing Turkey for dental bridges. Selecting Turkey as a dental bridge option has numerous advantages. Apart from the financial savings, patients are able to have a relaxing vacation in the beautiful and thriving cultural scene of the country. Numerous dental clinics within Turkey have packages for patients which comprise accommodation, transport, and after-operative services and make the process easy and simple. 7. Turkey's advantage: competitive and low-cost dental bridges is an ideal destination for people who want top-quality dental care with a fraction of expense. Through its superior services, highly skilled dentists, and dedication to excellence, Turkey has solidified its status as the leading contender in the realm of dentistry tourism. When you're in the need of a bridge in your dental or another dental procedure, Turkey offers a cost-effective and trustworthy solution that'll ensure you are smiling with confidence.